Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to return Shein items. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your Shein app, and once you are here, be sure to be logged into your account. And once you are logged into your account, you'll be seeing your Shein interface. On the top left corner of the screen, you'll be seeing your mail icon, right? Simply tap on that. And once you are in here, simply find the option that says orders and then tap on it. And once you tap on orders, you'll be seeing your orders list. Right now on the bottom bar, you'll be seeing four options, that is delete order, track, return item, and my review. Right, simply tap on return item. And once you tap on return item, here all you gotta do now is select the item that you want to return. And once you have selected the item, enter in the reason for the return as well. And now upload the photos as well, because photos are requested when applying for return. So attach the photos as well. And once you have done with the process, tap on next step on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you have tapped on that, you'll be provided with two options, that is refund method and return method. Simply tap on return method and then tap on submit. And once you tap on submit, you'll be provided with these options, that is return by UPS return label, or return by UPS return label, return by UPS QR code. Simply select the option that is preferable for you. And once you have selected the information, you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now lastly, all you gotta do is tap on submit, and your UPS return label or UPS return QR code will be sent to you along with your return confirmation mail. And that's basically how you can return Shein items. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.